You and I seal this in the dark, an oath carved deep into the sky, where the light dies, I'll remain. I reach through ash and shattered fate. You and I seal this in the dark, an oath carved deep into the sky, where the light dies, I remain. I reach through ash and shattered fading. I trust the ruining, I remain. I'll be there to comfort you, build my world of dreams around you. I'm so glad that I found you. I'll be there with a love that's strong. I'll be your strength. I'll keep holding on, holding on. Let me fill the hollow in your heart with quiet fire. In the stillness together is all I desire. Whenever the night closes in, I'll be there. I'll stand as your shadow, your shield from the storm. With a selfless devotion, unbroken, unformed. Just whisper my